Hi, my name is Ali Rouzati. Welcome to Rugs in a Moment. A few weeks ago, I decided to reach out to our followers to see if there were any specific questions that they had in mind about the rug industry. And I have to say that there were some fantastic questions that I decided to share here on this episode. While traditionally, before COVID, we used to attend rug shows. So what exactly is a rug show? Rug shows are gatherings where multiple vendors meet in a large convention center to present rugs that they have in their inventory to showcase for retailers. Now these can be antique rugs or new contemporary rugs that have been woven as well. The largest rug convention is called Dometex, a convention in Hanover, Germany, where multiple vendors from around the world come to exhibit antique and modern rugs. One of the great perks of being in the rug business is the ability to travel to different countries to visit rug markets. Generally, there are multiple other conventions in countries like India, Pakistan, Turkey, the United States, and the United Kingdom as well. Obviously, things have changed since the pandemic. Now, vendors contact us through Zoom to show their merchandise to us and have digital catalogs to display their inventory to us. So how do we pick rugs for our showroom? The rugs that we pick for our inventory are geared towards our market and clientele. Each city has a specific style and culture, so naturally, the inventory that we choose must cater to our local market. So we base our choices on the types of rugs that our clients desire. At the same time, we try to have a wide variety and unique selection to choose from. As my dad always says, a rug store should be like a fruit market, full of choices. The history starts with my dad, Jafar Rouzati. The story is simple but interesting. As a college student at the University of Milwaukee in Wisconsin, my dad entered the rug business part-time as a sales manager to pay his living expenses. He enjoyed the industry so much that upon graduating, he decided to go full-time into the rug industry. Ironically enough, roughly 33 years ago, my dad began his business, Rouzati & Son, with just a limited selection of antique rugs. Fast forward 33 years, and here we are, working together. This is a great question. I completely understand the premise behind why this question is being asked. Roughly 30 to 40 years ago, in the golden age of antiques, rugs were viewed as an investment. Many people would buy them, not only to decorate their home, but to also place their money into an appreciating asset. However, roughly 10 to 15 years ago, with the advent of modern carpets and decor, societal interest shifted away from traditional antiques and into more of an appreciation for modern architecture and designs. As a result, the value of antique rugs significantly decreased due to the lack of interest in them. And the reason in the lack of interest was not just the change in generations, but also because many traditional patterns and colors did not resonate well with modern decor. These days, modern rugs are more so viewed as a style instead of an investment. Styles, just like in the clothing industry, come and go, often changing rapidly. Most clients that purchase a modern rug often end up altering their home decor after 10 to 15 years, and don't necessarily purchase a modern rug as an investment to hold onto for 20 plus years. They're more focused on making their home more aesthetically pleasing and in style. However, antique rugs are still viewed as an investment piece, mainly because they are classic and timeless works of art. Each antique is an original, one-of-a-kind rug, and not mass-produced like many modern carpets. In terms of retaining their value, antique rugs definitely hold their value much more with respect to modern or transitional rugs, but the demand for them has significantly declined ever since modern and transitional rugs have entered the rug market. If you are looking to purchase a rug as an investment, I would highly advise choosing a classic antique rug of a higher caliber. Classic collectible rugs always retain their value well and will eventually increase significantly in their price when antiques make a return into today's style and decor. Thank you for your fantastic questions. Hopefully I was able to answer them with an in-depth perspective. And I'm definitely looking forward to answering more in the future. if you ever have any special inquiries, always feel free to reach out to our DMs on Instagram or through email via rouzatirugs@gmail.com.